Welcome to Point Nemo, the most remote location on Earth. Located in the heart of the South Pacific Ocean, this oceanic pole of inaccessibility is more than 1,000 miles away from the nearest land. Point Nemo is known as the spacecraft cemetery, as it is used as a dumping ground for defunct satellites and spacecraft. But it's not just a graveyard for space debris. Point Nemo is also home to a unique ecosystem of deep-sea creatures that thrive in the cold, dark, and highly pressurized environment. Join us as we explore the mysteries of Point Nemo and discover what lies beneath the surface of the open ocean. Point Nemo is a location in the Pacific Ocean that is known as the Oceanic Pole of Inaccessibility. It is the point in the ocean that is farthest from any land, with the nearest inhabited land masses being over 1,600 miles away. Point Nemo is located at 48 degrees 52.6 feet S 123 degrees 23.6 feet W and is named after Captain Nemo, a fictional character from Jules Verne's novel, 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. The location is significant for space exploration, as it is the designated area where space debris is most likely to crash and not harm any humans or structures on land. Point Nemo is located in the South Pacific Ocean, approximately halfway between New Zealand and South America. It is named after Jules Verne's Captain Nemo, the commander of the fictional submarine Nautilus in 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. The point was first identified by Croatian-Canadian survey engineer Hrvoje Lukatela in 1992. He used satellite data to determine the oceanic pole of inaccessibility, which he named after the Latin word for no one. Point Nemo is not visible from any land, and it is so remote that the nearest humans are often astronauts aboard the International Space Station. Because Point Nemo is so far from any land, it has become a popular location for the disposal of space debris. Satellites and other objects that have outlived their usefulness are directed to crash into the ocean near Point Nemo, where the chances of them harming any humans or structures are very low. The location of Point Nemo also makes it ideal for scientific research, as the deep, open ocean water is relatively undisturbed by human activity. Despite its remote location, Point Nemo has been visited by a handful of people. In 1999, a team of scientists and engineers sailed to Point Nemo to conduct experiments and gather data. In 2018, a group of sailors attempted to break the record for the fastest non-stop circumnavigation of the world, passing within a few hundred miles of Point Nemo. The ocean around Point Nemo is part of the South Pacific Gyre, a circular current that rotates clockwise and is known for accumulating large amounts of plastic pollution. Due to its remote location, Point Nemo is often used as a reference point for measuring plastic pollution in the open ocean. The closest land to Point Nemo is Ducie Island, a remote coral atoll in the Pitcairn Islands group, which is approximately 1,670 miles (2,688 kilometers) away. Point Nemo is also known as the Cemetery of the Pacific, due to the large number of ships and planes that have been intentionally sunk in the area after they were decommissioned or crashed. These wrecks are now home to a diverse range of marine life and are popular with divers. In addition to space debris and plastic pollution, Point Nemo is also home to a unique ecosystem of deep-sea creatures that are adapted to life in the cold, dark, and highly pressurized environment. These include bioluminescent fish, squid, and jellyfish, as well as deep-sea corals and sponges. In 2013, Google Maps added a street view tour of Point Nemo, allowing users to explore the remote location from the comfort of their own home. The tour includes stunning views of the open ocean, as well as underwater footage of the marine life around the oceanic pole of inaccessibility. The location of Point Nemo was specifically chosen for the disposal of space debris because it is located in an area of the ocean with very low marine traffic, reducing the risk of any collisions with ships or other vessels. Point Nemo is located in the South Pacific subtropical gyre, which is an area of the ocean that is known for having very low biological productivity. This means that the ocean around Point Nemo is relatively barren compared to other areas of the ocean, although it is still home to a number of unique and fascinating species of marine life. Because Point Nemo is so far from any land, it is an ideal location for stargazing. The lack of light pollution means that the night sky is incredibly clear, and it is possible to see stars and constellations that are not visible from most other parts of the world. In addition to being used for the disposal of space debris, Point Nemo has also been used as a location for scientific research. In 2008, a team of researchers from the University of Hawaii conducted a study of marine microorganisms in the area around Point Nemo, which they found to be incredibly diverse and abundant. Despite its remote location, Point Nemo has become a popular destination for adventurous sailors who are looking for a challenge. Several solo sailors have attempted to circumnavigate the world by passing through Point Nemo, which requires crossing some of the most treacherous seas in the world. Thank you.